Calling you the opening act is a weak metaphor. It's much more like, you're just the appetizer. That's right. But while you've trained to an incredible degree, you remain nothing more than a mortal being.
This is Super Saiyan Rose Goku Black.
This is it, Saiyans. For the sake of our most glorious project, you will die today!
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cotyard. There's a space between my name because YouTube didn't let me not put a last name in, so that's what we're gonna put it to, okay? So let's get started with this. First, we're going to teach y'all how to get lightning style, and hold on. Yeah, it's not in the rice fields, but if you don't spawn here, obviously, if you just began and you want lightning style. I am so sorry for the sound in the background. That is my phone. I am recording with my phone. Let's quit, like, move it with my feet. Right, there we go. As you can see, I'm on Xbox. Okay. That's my keyboard and mouse to play. Much easier for me. Be careful with those demons, abnormal demons. And in the next video, we're going to be talking about how to get this color blade sword, alright? I have purple, my favorite color. I'm actually kind of glad I got purple because, you know, it's my favorite color. Let me go up these mountains. I'm sorry if you hear my... Sorry for hearing my phone in the background. Like I said. Am I even going the right way? And let's talk about the video while we get over here. First, you'll get this crow and stuff. You have to fight explosion demons, and you will not be fighting the big blobby demon. You're gonna be fighting this dude that throws balls at you. I don't know. Don't ask me why. Okay, so you spawn over there, right? You're gonna want to come over here where I am, and you're gonna want to take this route over here. I'm trying to change my PFP on YouTube, and I'll be showing y'all the lightning moves. I don't have them all. I only have 2 right now because the next move is level 55. So oh, by the way, so I don't waste your time, I should have told you guys this earlier. I think you're gonna be level 25 or like 35, somewhere on the 5s range, above the 10s. And yeah, and all the other, I think all the other Demon Slayer arts, not Demon Slayer arts, breath styles are any level. Because, this is only for lightning breath. So you come to the rice fields, right? And, you might want to climb over here. And I'll be showing you all the moves after you guys get struck by lightning over there. You're gonna need to see if you're powerful enough to take lightning style. I think that, okay, there might be some trouble over here, but this is where it is, and I'll be showing y'all the moves. So he's probably gonna try to kill us, but like, here's the first move, and here's the second move. Let me show y'all real quick. It's like a lightning flash. So yeah, next video we're gonna be talking about how we get this color blade sword. Badass opening. I got the 4 clovers on there. I think that's what you call them. Here's a little bird, and this outfit is your choice, and you could obviously keep this outfit that you have, but yeah. Alright, see you guys later.